Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to add favorite folders in file manager on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or One UI 7.5 and above, 7.0 and above. Okay, open your file manager, then you can see this is our file manager. Open any folders, and before that you can see here there is an option favorites, and you can see here there is a folder, and I'm going to internal storage. Then I'm opening my documents page. Then select notes, you can see here, and select notes, and you can simply see here there is a star option. Simply tap on it. Now it is become yellowish, so that means it is added to favorites. So go back the main page, then you can see here there is favorite and there is notes. So in this way you can simply add any folder or any files to favorite list. Okay, so that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.